Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Krishna Kumar ubadang saupo Snem AA karta ubadon ya ke jing Ïaid tapman sem hadok kata-kata yala ke jong ke Kmie ka Chuda Ratna kabala kenjok menta Jakarta ka bah nyopo Snem bar ki pasyong basa ka sor Mysore jong ka jela Karnataka kila wanpoi ban Ïaid Pilkrim syagani ka nong ba Shillong tang dak basyong dak Thuk Bajaj Chitak kabala rimba kini Kmie Khun ha ka jing ya kendo ya ki lat pathai ko bor ha ka khandai tarik unailar arjar khat khandai kila itu bagila pendep palat hajar kilometer ka jing Ïaid lenti kum ki Pilkrim ha kelengkari India da ka ba lej ngo ya ki jaka mani blai ha ki nongba jong ki jela ba ki yo kejat kini ki arngut kila pendep ya ke jing Ïaid lenti Pilkrim nado ubnai yayong jong Snem arjar khat pra da ka ba sedang na Bengaluru bat kiu shado ka jela Jammu bat Kashmir bat menta ka kenti kila wan poi pat syagani ka than chatai lamingi ban pendep ya kani ka jing Ïaid lenti kini ki Kmie Khun kin sa pendep ya ke jing Ïaid Pilkrim jong ki tad hado bakin da lej phai biang sya ka yingsa halane shwa ka lai tarik mentau ubnai nailar arjar khat khandai.
Just simply, freely I asked my mother, Ma, have you seen Tiruvannamalai, Tirukkovilur, Tiruvarangam, Tirunelveli, Tirupattur? Have you seen? Like that I asked. Immediately my mother told, I didn't see even Belur Halebeedu. Belur Halebeedu is one of the richest, one of the famous temple in Karnataka. It's a Vaisala style. And it's a world attraction. It's a treasure house for our sculpture. At the time, really, when I heard that reply, it was breaking my heart. I was pained when I heard the reply. Immediately, I decided, Ma, not only Belur Halebeedu, I will show you the whole India to you. Like that, I resoluted, I taken the oath, and I started journey. We started our journey January 16, 2018 from Mysore. So far we covered almost 18 complete state, 18 full state, and 2 other nations also. We went to Nepal and Bhutan also. Till today we travelled 43,000 kilometers. Yesterday also we travelled 70 kilometers. Till that time 42,930 kilometers. Today we completed 43,000 kilometers so far. Meghalaya में बहुत अच्छा है. Shillong, this is sightseeing, and Cherrapunji we went. And so, Dauki, then Mailang, so many, even that cleanest village, that one Dauki, that Bangla-India border, and Cherrapunji is a wonderful place. From our childhood we used to read in our geography, highest rainfall place in India. That's also I shown to my mother. Very nice. So blessed with the good nature, Shillong, really. So Meghalaya is blessed with good nature. Before we starting this journey, I take my mother to nearest place of our town, Mysore and Bangalore. Then one thing I observe, wherever we go, wherever visit any temple, she is watching all the corner of the temples without losing her interest and enthu. Then I start thinking, man, see, my mother having this much interest, why I have to confine to short time period? Let her extend it. Let I extend to long term. Then I started this journey. 13 years I earned lifetime money. Every money I kept in my mother account only. Every month interest out of that. See, when she is alive, I have to do seva now. Say dignity before death. We will talk about dignity in life. See, we have to live in a big houses. We have to having a big cars, and we have to big bank balance, big club member. These are all dignity in life. This is dignity before death. See, we are taken the birth. One day we have to leave this body. Within that, we have to fulfill the parents' desire within the frame of Dharma. See, so how many benefits they taken from the moment we taken the birth? Because at this age we have to take care of them. We have to fulfill their desires. They also see old people. They are not deserved to keep in one corner. Will not keep sit on one corner. They also get satisfied. They also some mind. Some satisfaction, their desire. We have to ask them, they have to fulfill. It's a very important thing to such impression in childhood levels. We change our current social humiliation of old age people. We can change it because once they register in their minds, It will follow the life up to their last breath. They can follow. But we have to fill these values or these ethics in their mind within 15 years. Within their 15 years. We have to teach them strongly. I am not answerable to anybody. It's our own money. So already I told you, 13 years I worked in Bangalore as a corporate team leader. All my salary, every incentive, everything I kept in my mother account. Every month interest out of it. By that interest we are around 3.8, 3.9 lakh. So because 43,000 you keep, our scooter is giving only 30, 35 or 38 mileage. No, we are strongly, three principles we will follow in this yatra. We will not receive any money from anybody. We will not take any gift. We will not take any dravyas, any items or something. Oh, हमारा पास इतना ज़्यादा है आप लेके. We will strictly we are following. So many people are coming to donate. We will not touch it. So my hard-earned money only I am doing this yatra. Because as per me, it is not right to receive the money. It has come through hard work.